Today we are showcasing Unit 092672, a brand new 300 kilowatt Cummins natural gas generator, available now at our Brighton, Colorado facility. This unit is designed for standby power applications, making it a dependable solution for commercial and industrial facilities that need reliable backup power during an outage. It's powered by a Cummins GTA 855E natural gas engine built in 2025, and it currently has 0 hours in runtime, which means you are getting a completely unused, ready-to-go generator from one of the most trusted brands in the industry. Looking at the electrical specifications, this generator delivers 277 480 volts of three-phase power, a 400 amp circuit breaker, and output of 451 amps. This makes it well suited for mid-sized facilities such as healthcare centers, schools, office buildings, and light industrial operations. With its natural gas design, it offers long-term fuel convenience and eliminates the need for large diesel storage on site. The enclosure is weatherproof, ensuring durability and protection against the elements. That makes the unit ideal for outdoor installation, even in challenging climates. Generator Source has been a trusted name in the power generation industry for more than 50 years. We stand behind our equipment and provide nationwide support for companies that depend on backup power to keep their operations running smoothly. If you are looking for a new 0-hour, 300 kilowatt natural gas Cummins generator, contact Generator Source today to learn more or schedule a closer look at this unit.